Hello traders, it's time for the summary of the week. Unfortunately, this week wasn't too great for me because I finished this week with loss. Yes, I didn't make any money this week, guys. I know it's shocking, but sometimes it is like this. Guys, stop losses are cost of this business, let's say. All right. So I got minus $3,500 this week. And to be honest, this is the worst week of this year for me because every single week I was ending with profits, and this week unfortunately I've got loss. You can see total profit of minus $3,587. What can I say? Next week hopefully it's gonna be much better. So let's check what happened this week, what trades did I open, and why I got so much losses, guys. Okay, let's go into trade history. And this week, these trades are all from this week. Look, I've placed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades in total this week, and I got 5 stop losses. Yes. Some of these trades were more risky because I was trying to make some bigger profits with small risk, but that's okay. Let's have a look at the first trade that was on the 6th of February, minus $2,848. And let's have a look. My plan was to go down basically to get to the target from all in ASAP. These targets are working pretty well, but not on that day. This day, the 6th of February, I hit stop loss, I've entered the position, and the price went opposite direction. Sometimes it happened like this. So the plan was good, but unfortunately market did something else, so I couldn't do nothing. The only thing I could do is to watch what's going on. Okay, next one, that trade was open on crude oil. Simple setup using order flow, and that was pretty good because I've opened the position, like you can see, 1 to 2 risk to reward, quick trade, nice profit, and $2,000 in the pocket. Nice. That was the same day. Okay, that was the same day on the 6th. Then I didn't place any trade, I think, on the 7th. Anyway, let's have a look at some other trades. February the 9th of, yeah, that was Monday. Monday I hit stop loss. I placed the order at volume area at this area was pretty good. We had point of control, volume zone, also liquid area. That was some kind of range. So I was expecting the price to get here and boom. But unfortunately, I hit stop loss on this one. The price went straight down. So that was a loss. Another loss on gold. This trade was placed using which strategy? Let's give me a second. ASAP. Okay. And you can see we opened the trade to go down, but the price went opposite. What can I say? Another loss. But also I had nice profit on the 9th of February. We can see setup from imbalance. The trade was open, the pending order, right here, and supposed to get to full take profit. Yes, we got full take profit from this trade. $5,000. Let me just double check the account. 2 seconds, guys. Close positions. I'm gonna go for 7 days. Yes, yes, guys. That was on 6th. No, so we got here. I got take profit. You can see $5,295 on the account. So that trade worked pretty well. Pending order, small stop loss, but the trade was activated perfectly, and we got 1 to 5 risk to reward, and I got $5,000 on this trade. That was pretty good trade, but anyway, I had small losses, and because of that, I've ended up with minus $3,500. Crude oil also another trade on crude oil using order flow. Unfortunately, the price went opposite direction, so couldn't do anything. There was volume area, so that was a bit risky trade because if you opening position, in bearish volume zone and you want to go up, it's always risky setup. But I knew that, that's why I didn't risk too much, only $1,000. And the last trade, it was crude oil. This was looking pretty good. Major rotation channel was bullish, and the price was bouncing from the bottom edge of rotation channel, and we had nice breakout through this support line. And I placed the trade right here to go up, but when I opened the trade was activated pending order, and then the price dropped. Couldn't do nothing with that trade. So that's how it looks this week for me. Not too good. It could be much better, but what can I say? Sometimes it happens. So next week, hopefully, you're gonna have nice profits, guys. I'm using nice risk to reward ratio for most of my trades. So we don't need too much. One trade can give me $10,000 straight away. So I don't mind that I got minus 3,500. Next week I'm gonna place one trade and can quickly recover and be in plus. So nothing to worry about right now. Okay, I want to also have a look at some other plans. I had planned today for crude oil. I'm not sure if this plan is gonna work. Let's have a look. No, they got close to this area, but the trade wasn't activated and the price dropped. So couldn't do nothing with that. Another trade, gold idea. Let's have a look if this is working or not. No, the price went down. Now we are going opposite direction, which is good. We can use volume area. So if any one of you guys using this volume area, probably there is a chance now to go higher. We can use that volume area. Okay, that plan was made on US dollar Swiss franc to go down. I didn't place the trade, and the price is still hanging right here. Today is Friday, so I decided not to open this trade because of Friday. I just want to chill now, so don't want to place any more trades. Second plan for USD/CAD, that was removed. This plan on Euro USD also, it has been removed because of the news today. We had some CPI in the United States. Next one, USD/CAD basic sell. You can see plan right here. We were waiting for the price to come back. Okay, the plan is supposed to work, but they went straight down, so we couldn't use that. Few great plans also from Tomek, plan from All-in ASAP strategy to get to the target. Plan is still in the game, I think, and the price is breaking through. So yeah, I think so. I think that we got some opportunity to go up now to the target, which what Tomek was showing. So it's around this area right here. We are outside the rotation, bearish rotation channel, which is good. The price is retesting that area. So there is a chance, but remember, guys, it's Friday. It's Friday. Okay, another plan from Tomek using cluster pending order set for reaction on GBP. Not sure. I think Tomek removed that before the news. Crude oil plan from Tomek. Let's have a look if that worked. This was 15 minutes time frame. Did the plan work? Not sure. Yeah, I think they retested. There was a chance to enter the trade. No, they didn't retest it. Okay. Plan changed probably a little bit. Tomek basic sell plan on Euro to go down. That plan is from yesterday, basically. So I think it worked. So Tomek had some nice profit on this one. And this plan is also from this old one from yesterday. Okay, so don't worry about it, guys. Yes, I am in loss this week, guys. So next week we're gonna look for some more trades. No worry, I don't worry too much, guys. This is only 1 week. We got whole year. Next week will be much better. This year so far, every single week in profit, just one losing week. That's okay. It happens. No worries. I'm gonna refresh my head this week, refresh my mind, and we'll come back on Monday, and we're gonna do a great job. We're gonna start from profits, guys. So that's it for this week. I wish you guys a lot of profits. I wish you a nice weekend, and we will see each other on Monday on live trading session at 9 a.m. So take care, guys. Good luck.